everybody, welcome back to the channel. A little short video for you today. We're gonna replace the U-joints in this rear drive shaft of this S10. They're a little blown out, so it's time to replace them. Let's get after it. So first thing that I like to do is get the vehicle positioned at an angle, typically a downward angle, like such, so that so let's say the transmission's here, so that the output shaft is tilted up, and that way there's no excess oil dripping out of the tail shaft. So that's how we got this set up. So then we can go ahead and work on getting the bolts off of the differential, and we can get the drive shaft pulled out. We got the drive shaft out. The front one seems fine, but we're gonna replace both anyway. And the back one here, it is worn out. Yeah, you can see the play right there. Not good. That was the clunking sound while you're driving. We're gonna go ahead. I'll show you how I replace these. I don't have any press or anything like that, so I've always used the socket method. So that's what we're gonna do today. You'll see how I do it. So it's enough talking. We'll get after it. You'll need your hammer, and then you need a socket that's bigger than the cap, so it fits over the cap. And you'll need one that's the same size or close to, which in this case, this is an 18 mil, that's pretty close. And then you also need to space up the end of the drive shaft so that when you go to hammer these out, it's on a pretty level plane. So I'll set the camera up and you can watch as I do it. Show you why I have sort of disassembled this one. So when you assemble these, you don't want to make them too tight, so it should be pretty free when you rock it back and forth. Well, once I had installed the clip, it just had too much resistance going side to side. See, it's pretty stiff, so I had to remove this clip. What I'm going to do is push this cap out just a little bit and then reseat it. And that way it's still free and movable. That will prevent any premature wear. Alright, so now that I've reseated that, you can see how nice and easy this is to move. That's how it should be. There's a little friction from the grease. It's exactly what you want. And then basically the important thing is to look on there and make sure your clips are seated the whole way around, and that they both look similar, which they're all good. Happy with that. So now this end's good, and we'll get the other side knocked out. got front one replaced, grease zerk accessible, clip, 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 clip. In the rear, both clips, and the rear clips will lock onto the latch. Zerk's accessible. We're gonna grease it out of the truck, and that way we don't have to worry about messing with it while it's in the truck. So we'll go ahead and put a little grease in there. They come pre-greased, but I like to just fill them up as much as I can. And that way, we won't have to worry about it. It's all greased and ready to put it back in, so let's put it back. Drive shaft installed, bolts are tight. Pretty much it. I mean, it's not super difficult. It can be a little tricky sometimes, but hopefully with this video that helps you out. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. We're gonna go for a test drive, but I won't do a driving review. Yeah, so next video should be coming up soon. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks, we'll see. What we have next to finish is the tractor. And then my truck's still back there. I don't think I've done anything on that yet for the channel. But first it's gonna be the tractor. It has to be done for September. And then we also have the trailer to knock out. So please subscribe so you can watch all my my builds here at Scrap Fab. I'm excited to present that stuff to you guys. Please like, comment, give me some reviews. If there's something I'm not doing that would make it a little more entertaining for you, just let me know. But for now, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.